Hi guys, today Sean's gonna be playing
Subway Surfers.
Yeah. That game.
I'm really good at it.
He's okay at it.
So there's like a new edition. Oh my gosh!
Sean, no
Oh
one
my-
can see the character.
What do you mean?
No one can actually see the character.
What, that character?
Yeah, because your finger's in the way. Wow, you're really good, Sean.
Because it's really hard.
You're really good.
I need to play like that. I
You're
play.
phenomenal.
See how bad? It's
Well, then do this.
okay. If you get that out of here,
No, I need that there.
and then I can't do it.
You're gonna have to.
Then I'll do it like this.
You can play two. That's fine. Show the T-verse how bad you are. Life.
No. Oh, I'm coming up with a R. D. Yeah. No.
Come on.
Let's open it.
This?
Yeah, but it's harder. Oh, I got 3,000 coins. Yeah, that's how it's done. Oh. It's so hard, guys. If you do this, you'll die. It's like impossible. Yeah, my finger's kind of in the way of the... I'll try my hardest. Oh my god. See? If I actually play like this, I'm a lot better. I'm telling you, but it's hard with this. If you have never seen this, sorry. You've never seen this. 1, 2, 3. It's like this thing, and then you go into that. But I'm really good at this one. This thing.
Sean, your hand's literally right in the middle.
Wasabi. What am I supposed to do with it?
Not put your hand right in the middle.
Well, it's hard. If you did this, I bet you'll do so bad, like you wouldn't even go an inch.
That's mean.
Because you're bad.
That's mean.
I don't care.
That's mean.
I don't care.
Too bad.
I don't care.
You don't care? Cool.
Yeah, I don't care.
Stop clapping your feet.
I don't like this bit.
No one likes you, so...
Mm. I thought I was a good person. So that means I have a bad personality? Do I, guys? I'm getting this.
It's like almost 10 o'clock at night, so that's why you're so loud.
Am I doing good, guys?
No.
What? You meanies. Oh my gosh, I'm just getting off the highway. I don't even know if it's called a highway. Dock.
I don't even know.
Dock and Ska. I don't even know what that is. It's anything. Love to clap my feet. No, I don't want
Do you
this.
guys know the game Happy Wheels? Where they came out with Flappy Wheels, I think.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
It's a new game of it?
I don't know.
That's sick. Oh no! No!
Yeah.
Okay, I'm doing it again, guys. And I fail again, too. Whatever, I'm doing it for you guys. I just used 3.
He's YOLOing it for you. He never YOLOs.
Oh my gosh! YOLO. Oh, YOLO. Cancel. Sorry, guys. That was awful run.
No.
Sure.
No.
Yeah.
Where do you want to write? No, this game's actually pretty cool. But
Oh, that
I don't
game.
have time to write nothing. No,
Oh my god. Mine? Yeah, I'll write something. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna play a different game. I'm gonna play
No, Sean.
Crossy Road!
They're not. Oh my God, Suri! No.
What am I playing? I'm playing Subway Surf.
Sean, you gotta continue.
Are you hecking kidding me?
Continue, Sean.
Well, with the Skeleton family, they get to play our games. Like, they can change. Yeah, huh?
But you can't. We
No,
do
don't
different.
get him.
Not even hitting him.
Hey!
Mom.
Hey!
YOLO.
YOLO. Boop, boop. Are you serious? I'm not YOLOing. I don't know why I YOLO'd. That has no use.
Listen, kids, don't ever YOLO.
This game, if wasting keys. I had 6 or 7 keys. Yeah, 7. And I just
No,
YOLO'd.
actually, it's good to YOLO. It's good
No.
to jump off a cliff and risk it.
Are you serious?
No, that's not good, no.
Don't do that ever. Are you serious?
Please don't, because then if you go jump off a
Cliff, and you'll never see our
you
channel.
die, and then
And you'll never see our
and then
channel
you'll
again.
get sued, and yeah, please don't go do that.
But what if you get already killed and you get sued again?
Yeah, your parents will file this thing, whatever it's called.
Well, I don't matter if I die.
You don't care if you die.
Yeah.
We watched
And then I'll get-
Casper.
What?
Remember, you should. If you die, you should get the liquid in that movie, Casper.
The real movie.
Because we went to school. Almost every year we go to see a movie through school for Halloween.
Uh-huh.
And we went to go see Casper the Ghost at this new cinema that this
Came
new
out
movie
right
theater
new.
that just came out right. Just opened up. That's
Oh,
right next to the school.
Gosh.
We went and saw Casper the Ghost.
Yep.
And there's like this stuff that if you die, you can like when you're a ghost, you can like make yourself back to a human again.
Mhm. That's really cool.
Yeah, it was really cool. You could just get that stuff and
You can't really get this game from scratch. Not really.
what do you mean that game from scratch?
Like, you just start it. Like, I kind of just started it. I was playing it for like an hour. I have been really good, but I've never got the score ever in my life. And this is my chance. Oh my gosh, this is forever. You don't know how tiring this game is. And how tiring my brother says, oh, let's go and do that for the channel.
Oh, that's me.
You never want him as a brother. I'm not kidding.
What?
Never like him.
Hey, I have friends.
Yeah,
I have more friends than
I
you.
like Jackson more than you. Yeah, I
It's not
do.
even Jackson. It's Swayman 227.
Well, yeah. That's his YouTubing name.
Yeah, that's his name.
Well, that's what the YouTubers probably called him.
Just to let you know, I've been friends with him longer, so actually
No, I've had Ken's more than ever.
no, I've been friends with Jackson for longer than you have with Kenj.
Kenji's my favorite best friend ever.
What if Seth was watching?
Oh no, I would die probably. You would probably kill me.
Oh my god. In the background, I'm playing Stacked Estates.
Oh, you're playing Stacked Estates?
Mm. So bad. Yeah, if you hear that noise, that's why. I think after this, we're gonna play Aquaman. We'll see. See how Sean's feeling.
Tired.
There's one bit that I can actually literally not get past. Like, impossible, can't do it. But
Are you serious?
You have to unlock these keys. Oh, yeah, in the timer.
Oh gosh, I just died.
Oh, I'm starving.
Oh, nothing.
Oh, I'm starving.
You're,
I know I can eat. Well, I can always eat.
oh my gosh, I wasn't even looking. I still carried on. That's like so epic. Oh, I need to get this.
I
Yes.
don't even need to look at it. Just I can look at it because I'm right here.
Oh my gosh, can I get all of the coins? This is nerve-wracking.
Yeah, if you want to watch a hyped video, this is a hyped video, so come here.
Yeah, watch this video. It's better than all of the other videos. Subway Surfers. That's what I call it.
I
Subway
I believe
Surfers.
this game's advertisement for Subway Eat Fresh.
Yep.
When I played soccer at this like club place, whenever I scored a goal, I'd flash my hand and said $5 foot long, and then shouted to the other team, "Eat fresh."
Eat
It was
fresh.
really funny.
Really funny.
I scored like 3 goals a game because I was the oldest one.
Really? When
Yeah.
so kanana?
No, it's not AYS.
Yeah.
It's Menominee.
Menominee?
When I first started, I thought it was Monopoly.
Monopoly.
I thought it was Monopoly.
You
Oh, we're gonna
weirdo.
go to a life-size Monopoly board. Yeah.
And we get to play pool.
There's soccer on the life-size.
Ryan, I think we should stop now.
No. Oh, one more try.
One more? Okay. What if it takes me forever? Well,
If you get to 14, I'll stop
I don't know what this game's about. Subway? Huh.
it. It's basically Minion Rush.
Yeah. But Minion Rush is faster at the
Yeah,
start.
I think they go faster. Minion Rush is.
But when you get really far in the level, it'll get a lot faster.
I think Minion Rush is probably more.
Popular?
The thing is, Minion Rush is. Minions are an actual movie that was a hit for a while and still probably is.
Yeah.
Subway Surfers is a game.
Ryan, we should pause it because I just died.
Alright.
I guess that's it.
Okay, yeah, I think he's done. He's tired. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe,
dead.
like, comment, and peace. Yeah, bye.